Greetings, YouTube. Got yet another Filter Queen nozzle to service. This is going to be just a real quickie. There's not a whole lot to do with these. This one's got Phillips screws. It's a lot newer than the last one I did, so we can simply use a gun and kind of cool. It's still made in the US. Still no ball bearings in the brush roller, so we're going to put ball bearings in the brush roller.
No, Rise Against, yeah, they were big, and then the lead singer got married, and then they kind of just
became no more.
Yeah.
What happened to the Beatles?
Well, that almost happened to Led Zeppelin. Robert Plant's wife was like, if you start that band, I'm divorcing you, and he's like, fuck you. Ended up having one of the best bands in the world.
Yeah, dude. Cardboard, very important.
Huh?
Cardboard's important with filter.
Nope. I'm gonna pick this one.
Gotta reuse the cardboard. Yep. Just in the tracking on that. As always, please like, subscribe, and do not try this at home.